Okay, so next one is the schedule. Schedule is based on the data that has been put in for the overall program. So again, I won't repeat all of this stuff here, but difference is you can select just by specific project, or you could select specific sprints. Overall weighted average of percent complete. This is not just the number of tasks divided by the total number of tasks. This is the tasks weighted by their duration and the completion status. So you're getting a little bit better picture there. Completed milestones and total number of work days that have been completed, completed tasks, delayed milestones, delayed tasks. And then here we also can select, anytime you're in here, you can select the specific area that you're most interested in. So if I'm interested in technology, I can see those. I can see these ones for data and so forth and so on. So that's pretty much the schedule item. And you'll be able to see this all in real time because this is going directly against the data directly. There's no delays or anything like that.